Edward C. Levy Company. We were founded in 1918 by Ed Levy Sr., and we are now heading on to the 4th generation ownership. We operate in integrated and mini mills around the world, along with aggregate, asphalt, concrete, and trucking operations. Currently, we have just over 1,100 large wheel loaders. The 986 plays a huge part for us because of the integrated payload system.
I like the loadout. A lot of torque in this unit, which is very impressive.
The maneuverability around piles and customer trucks is absolutely incredible.
The lights are awesome. The LED lights, they light up an area really good.
The views even go into a Tier 4 final machine, which everyone's usually afraid of because it obstructs your view. Our operators have zero issues with this machine to be able to see what's around or near or what's coming at them.
It seems like it digs in the pile really good. It has a lot of torque for your tires.
Depending on the business, the guys could have 60 rail cars to load in a week or more. It fills 100 tons in a car without any issues whatsoever and jump right from a rail car to a customer loadout truck.
Mobility factor is a big key for us. I mean, we do have operations, and being able to pick that machine up and move it legal down the road with some of the bridge heights and everything is the key. I can get them down to match up with our 771s down into the quarry. The flexibility of this machine, that eliminates us having other machines, which keeps our costs under control. The operators have expressed a lot of interest in this unit.
I like the machine, really, I do. Good for loading trucks, for our application, it works perfect.
I think your number one priority is always the safety features.
What CAT has offered with the CAT Detect systems and rear backup cameras and LCD views is best in class by far. It allows our operators to get a true view and distance of their people around, not just people, but objects as well.
You can back up to within inches if you want to.
That reduces damage to the equipment, but potentially could save a life. A lot of companies will look at the purchase of a piece of equipment as the initial upfront cost. We at the Levy Company have never done that. We have software that we look at, Telematics now, which has played a huge role in our company.
One of the things I want to know, what their true cost is when they're down loading haul trucks down in the pit, when they're loading rail up here, for instance, or customer trucks. I mean, I can ask them and they can sit down and give me a rough idea, but I want the numbers. I want to know. Today is a new world than it was many years ago. We can get those costs, and that does affect your margins on an everyday base.
With telematics and Vision Link system in particular, we can look at what our hour meters are, what our fuel consumption is, what our idle time, where the location is, set geo-fences up around our jobs. So here recently this year, the Edward C. Levy Company in North America has decided to make the investment, and whether it's a CAT asset or another manufacturer, everything is equipped with CAT Vision Link. That allows us to bring in all the information using the CAT platform and start to realize true data and understand what our cost is for the ton and what that means for life cycle. We know with Caterpillar that we'll have the lowest operating cost for large wheel loader class. Now with this 986, we are very, very excited because we're seeing unbelievable fuel gains. We don't need to burn 11 gallons of fuel an hour. We've been able to discover over the last few months that we can do the same job quicker, more efficient, and burn 7 gallons of fuel, and the operators absolutely love it.